clear tu zong zong te in zawa in chibai kabuk le vek cheu ni zanin hi ni som pariat thlathum sang ni som ni paruk ania ni khat liam ta khanin Mizoram thil serious em mai a thlenga chu enge ani kan ti chuanin foreigner ramdang mi kha Mizoram lo lu tin Mizoram tangin Myanmar drones tam tham taka kha helpol ten hena khanin an hlan ni in soi ania khang foreigner mi pasari te kha NIA te khanin an man thu te po khan newsa kan hmua chu newsa chuanin kan Mizoram chief minister zom tak mai pulal du ama ming te po kha soiri kania kha newsa khanin Mizoram chief minister pulal du ama hi hemi issue hen ang tinge ein soifia don ti kha newsa kan hmua he thil serious lutuk mai ani awangin zaina hianin han riak ve hrim hi thain ka ria tin he issue hi chu nangni point clear tu te point in lo hreto in ka ringa Mizoram ramdang mi lo lutin ti khanin Myanmar drones tam tham tak an zuk supply a ti chuan Mizoram lo let len ti khanin NIA ten an man ta khania eng po chun ta sela news hi ngai thla ho phot teng news hi English ania English kha kan thiam ang in ron translate ve kan tunga kan translate dana alo dik lo deu alo perfect lo deu ni kha chuanin comment section na chu ai dik zok in ron zia kha kan tum theu don ne let's go.
The big security lapse in the state. Now, will Chief Minister Laldu Homa explain on this? 7 foreign nationals, 6 Ukrainians and 1 from the US enters Mizoram without the mandatory restricted area permit, crosses over to Myanmar, gets multiple consignments of drones from Europe delivered to them in Mizoram, meets ethnic groups hostile to India, returns back to Mizoram, still undetected, and moves on to Kolkata airport to leave India. It is only then that the US national was detained by the Bureau of Immigration at Kolkata airport, and the 6 Ukrainians were detained at airports in Lucknow and Delhi. Now, is this not a big security lapse on part of Mizoram authorities? What exactly were they doing? How did the 6 foreign nationals enter the state, moved on to Myanmar, got drones delivered from outside India, and then came back to Mizoram from Myanmar? All this while without being detected by neither the police nor any other security agency. The 7 foreign nationals have now been arrested by the NIA. They have been booked for conspiring to carry out terrorist activities under Section 18 of the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, UAPA, along with other relevant sections. The arrests followed after a coordinated operation by multiple NIA teams last week. Multiple reports are suggesting, viewers, that all the accused had entered India on valid visas but had proceeded to Mizoram without the mandatory restricted area permit. From there, they crossed into Myanmar, where they reportedly met ethnic groups hostile to India. Investigations also uncovered that multiple consignments of drones from Europe were delivered by them in Mizoram, reports quoting sources have said. According to the NIA, the accused were involved in illegally importing huge consignments of drones from Europe to Myanmar via India for the use of ethnic armed groups. These groups were allegedly also supporting some proscribed Indian insurgent groups by the way of supplying weapons and other terrorist hardware and training them. The NIA has alleged that the group was plotting terror strikes and their movements had raised alarm over cross-border threats.
Nita English in a ron puang ta kan hriat thiam dan ang an ron translate venga ti chon he news hianin NIA ti kha chu National Investigation Agency khani maita ti chon he news hianin NIA na Mizoram a foreign national ramdang mi pasari an man chungchang kha a ron puang ta ti chuan a soidan tlang pui chu Ukrainian mi parukle USA khwale tuini na nei pakhat an vain mi pasari kha an man thu kha aron puang ta ti chuan an chet dana kha kan hriat vele du takin han soi vele hrim taila an chet dana kha Mizoram atang hianin Myanmar an luta ti chuanin Europe atangin drones tam tham taka kha Mizoram an lo la lut tlat maya heng te hi Myanmar nam sang helpol India laka helpol telin ten hena khanin khang drones tam tham tak kha hlan ni in news khanin apuang hal boka ti chuan Myanmar atangin Mizoram anron let le ta ni khang Ukrainian mi paruk le USA mi pakhat kha Myanmar an lu to nu drones ten hlan fel to nu Mizoram anron let le ta ti chuan anron let le hianin man kha man an ni mayen Delhi te lockdown te le Kolkata airport te thleng khanin an kal man ni news khanin apuang boka ti chuan khang Ukrainian mi paruk le USA mi pakhat an via mi pasari an man tak te kha NIA te khan an man ta ti chuan a hremna dana te pawh kha news a khanin kan ngai thlai na rin oma ti chuan an hremna dana kha han soivel a hrim hrimila National Investigation Agency NIA te chuanin Unlawful Activities Prevention Act UAPA nuaya terrorist activity firfiaka chet tumanga pu kha anita ti chuanin kha news khanin zona poimo deuh mai kha kan chief minister zom tak pulal du oma mingte po kha soiri kan ita ka chuan Mizoram mi puiten hemi news hi kan ngai event thar sot in ari noma ti chuan kha news a khanin zona poimo deuh mai kha aron puang tel zewa Mizoram sarkar le security agency ten engtin nge hetiang khopa security labs ven himna fel lo na hi athlen thei ti zona achuak meka CM pulal do ma hian engtin nge asoifia don ti hi ange he chanchin puang tu hian aron soidana chu anita kha thila kha rap thlak khop me hey India rama poke ni hi notice kanita notice India rama ar mai tiat te teru te ram teru te kan ni wang khanin restricted area permit kha khang foreigner ro khan eng tin ngen nei thei o kha ka ti kha ka ril ru khan zo na alo om ngal wong wonga eng po chu ni ta sela Mizoram hi ramral muang state ral muang kan nia sap mingau kan ti ho le enge namdang ngai sang chi kan ni wang hianin kan rin lo kara hianin heng mingau ho hianin kan rama hian thil tam tak khan ron ti ve thei tlat ani chuta tak chuan news ron puanang khanin Mizoram security te tuna hian kan film khur kha athadon khopin ka ria hun lo lakal le zel tura te po Mizoram state ral muang ni nangin kan mingte alo chepalang ti kha hlom khop maya eng po chu ni ta sala kha thil thleng he thil thleng hianin kan state himna hi ati chiai ne hriam ti kha zona kan zot teng chu le khati zong kha zentana video kan siam thei chu ni le phot ta sela ni danga video thar dang nai kan hmole theu don ya